So Allianz is a global insurer, one of the largest in the world. Specifically within Australia, we focus on car, home, life, small business and travel insurance, and we're one of the top 4 insurers in the country. So with Advertising Cloud, we're looking to find the right customers for our business at the right time when they're in the market for car and or home insurance or any other of our products. The integration of the platforms is important for us to understand the performance of each individual channel, but also how it ties together to that point where a customer comes to our site, gets a quote and converts online. The data for us there is being able to better target and better find those people with our media spend as opposed to reaching everyone and hoping they convert. So suppressing audiences for people who have already got a quote with us or been to the website or bought a policy, we want to go and find new customers who don't know about Allianz. The main benefit for us for Advertising Cloud was the immediate impact we saw in terms of our paid search performance improvement versus what we were previously seeing. So we saw anything from a 20 to 30% improvement in just our cost per quote and cost per acquisition by bringing that activity onto AdCloud. And we can also measure our revenue to the business through the online video activity we're doing. So we've seen incremental improvements in our performance there over the past 6 to 12 months as well. And our sort of roadmap for the future is to integrate that into other Adobe products such as Audience Manager, which we've just started using to really kind of leverage the best of Advertising Cloud across multiple channels and sort of infuse that with the data we have about our customers or the customers we'd like to have, etc. It makes my life much easier to bring it all together from a reporting and attribution perspective initially. And then from there, it's all about, okay, the next 5%, the next 5%. And with a media buy as large as ours, every 5% performance improvement really counts and makes a big difference to the business.